very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Come on, you can climb it. No? He's like, I don't think so. Hey. Well, come on. Bye. Bye. Oh, you asshole.
You're a great singer. Yes, you are. Oh, boy. Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I don't know why people are so afraid to pet birds. Like, I promise you guys, they're really gentle. If you let yourself do it, it's like a really serene and beautiful experience. I just don't know what people think could go wrong.
Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina? Do you like them?